Nice. That. Thank you. See how it's falling down? It's all cracking. That's why this needs to be done too. The engineer did a terrible job.
They gonna take your cement that honey ko.
God, that is thin.
There.
It is very thin.
Very thin.
Jesus.
But there is, look, take the water for man than this.
You're seeing more than you think is cement. It's not all cement. So there, we'll walk it. It's going to be a little awkward walking it, but we'll walk it. Should I close the gate? Oh, somebody's out already. Damn it. Brutus, is that you? TT. Don't be a butthead. TT. You're being a butthead.
Titi, karong titi.
This shit, I always am afraid I'm going to slide as soon as I put my foot down. Should I move the motor up at the foot of the stairs or just before the foot of the stairs here, or leave it where it's at? Leave it?
Just leave it.
Okay.
Because the car is, they know that place is there is a motor.
Well, if I move it to the foot of the stairs, the cinder blocks are kind of in the way, so they and the sand.
Yeah, okay. You can put that. Because there's a...
No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to.
The truck.
I don't want to. Here, let me do it now. Here, take the vlog stick.
Hello, guys.
Turn it that way.
No.
And keep it. No, hon. It doesn't matter. This lens. Oh, look. That lens or that lens. It's still looking at you. Just keep it, hon. So that way you can touch it and see what's going on, but keep one lens pointed straight away from you, hon. Straight away. Not this way, not this way. Straight away. I'm going to fall down now. PD.
Hello, guys. This is the first day of their job, guys. 4 workers, 2 helpers, guys. They are very good job today. Look, they're finished. Oh. Two helpers, and this one, the work of helpers. This. Danger, this danger. This is the work of Marlon and Neboy. We are fixing the work of our contractor engineer. Danger, honey. Danger.
If you actually go onto the driveway and look at it, you can see it goes. Terrible.
Danger here, honey ko. Take it. Danger here.
No, I'm fine, hon. Just go. Just go.
Danger, you're gonna fall
Go.
down.
Okay, there's, see, not very deep. See, no, they weren't jackhammering the cement. They left it. Where are you going?
I go back because I'm scared there.
I need to measure cement.
Okay. That is their post foundation. This is the post foundation.
Yeah, not very deep, is it?
Carport.
Not very deep, is it?
Not very deep.
All right, let's see here. All right, I'm going to try to kill myself here. All right, we're looking at, how deep is that? That is, we'll call it 9 centimeters tops. This, stop it. Also 9 centimeters. Upside down, this one. Also 9 centimeters. Made myself dizzy standing upside down. Sorry, guys. All right, this is gonna be awkward, hon. You hold that for me, please,
Hi, guys.
because I need to grab a hold of something here.
There guys, oh.
balance myself. And while I'm
There guys, oh.
actually here, take this also and give me the give me the box. I'm gonna plug these in. I think I can reach. So you need to move down that way, please. Down that way.
There.
So I can get up here. Look out, TT.
Today is the first day of fixing
The rest
this.
of your life.
Fixing this
Mess of the engineer.
mess of engineer.
TT.
Contractor engineer guys.
Move. And I'll measure the other holes. I need to get to this light, hon.
He is a contractor guys, but he's not here managing
Never was.
the work of his workers. He's just only how do you call that, Haniko? Relying the CCTV camera.
Which was never really watched. He trusted his daughter to keep an eye on it, and he admitted later that no, she wasn't watching it. He said, I'll have to review the video because I wasn't watching it. And my daughter was busy doing her studies.
Yes.
Jackass. All right.
That is
This
called
has got our light bulb that goes into our bedroom outside window.
we are peeing not working.
Yeah.
Wasted money.
Hey. All right, hon. You need to video me. Bring me the tape measure, please. Tape measure. And you take that, please. Thank you. All right. Let's see here. What do you got? You go right there. That's 10. That is. Oh wow. That's actually 12. 11 to 12. This one is. Yeah, you can't see it. That one's 10. Maybe 11, but 10.
Take care,
We'll
Haniko.
call it.
Take care. Take this because this is work of foreman than here.
Okay.
This is very thin because work of Danilo this. Here. This is work of Danilo.
Hold on. We'll call that one 10. That's 8. 10, maybe more over there, 10.
The foreman stop is here. This. The foreman stop working.
Yeah. And that's, we'll call that 9. Again, no reinforcing rebar, no gravel compacted underneath. This, ouch, 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Can't really get to this one without digging it out. That is, wow, that's 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters, cool. This one is, we'll call it 6. And this one, 5.
How many meters supposed to be done that?
5 inches, which is, we get technical, 13, 12 and a half. 12 and a half millimeters, or centimeters, sorry.
So
12
good.
centimeters.
Good that work of the foreman.
No,
But lacking of
no.
square bar.
Yeah, no reinforcement,
No reinforcement.
gravel compacted underneath. So we're running 6, 7, 8 here. This is 6. So it's about half as thick as it should be. 6 again. So yeah. Good job, engineer. What a dick. And I'll probably leave that in there, not block it out, mute it out. What a dick. Oh, look, yeah, 5, he said. 5, all our cement works for driveways and carports and garages are 5 inches deep. 5 inches deep. Reinforced, underlaid, compacted gravel into the dirt. These were all poured on, well, the carport wasn't wet because it was under a carport, but everything else here was wet dirt, mud.
But he's
Mud.
not here. He don't know because he trusted the one worker that no experience. Yes.
That guy?
Just practice only.
That dumb shit.
Practice worker.
Okay, so you can see, guys, what Marlon is doing is he has that hole all the way down where the pipes are sticking out. That white one is the water line going to the faucet, and then the brown tube is the septic, as in the black water from the toilets. See, the next, that was actually dug all the way down. This next hole, they got it dug all the way down, and they're on the third hole here, not very far down. And that, if you look, the footing, the anchor is here, hon. Maybe I can do it. Hold on, I can do it. That anchor below the surface was starting at 22 centimeters, and it is, we'll call it 15 centimeters deep. Not very dang deep, and definitely not far down enough. Let me just go back to Marlon's holes here, and because he's already as deep as that was. Yeah, going down a little ways. The guys working on these holes disappeared when they were bent over shoveling. They vanished. That's how far down this hole is. Here, you want to jump down in there and see how deep it is?
What is that?
Rock. Just dark rock. That's a rock. So again, the cement in the carport is actually fairly thick, and everything else here, no, not. And down on the driveway, at the bottom, especially when they first started the pour, when Jejie happened to make a comment to them, very thin. Yeah, very thin. It was an inch, tops.
Our 4 workers today is very good job.
Yes, and thankfully Marlon had the jackhammer thing to make it work even faster. But yes, they did good work. They dug and dug and dug and dug. And there's another one of those damn things to give me a flat tire. Anyway, so that's our crew doing the work that the engineer was supposed to do. And I'm going to walk down here. I'm going to look at the stairs because I never did actually look at the stairs. But before I do that, hon, these rocks will try to stop the gate from closing. Oh, geez, they're all over. Hold on. You're going to have to talk to Marlon about this.
Come here, guys. Follow me, guys.
Hey, hon. What's this? What's that?
Tobacco lumboy.
Uh-huh. Found it on the ground.
Hello, guys.
I wonder whose it is.
This is work of Marlon, guys. Oh,
Oh, hey, to be fair, General did a little bit.
it's just only the step, General. The finishing that, and then here front is Marlon that doing. Only the step here only, General.
Actually, General only did about half of them, I think.
But this front side here is Marlon.
The finishing work, yeah. How does the side look?
Alone doing that.
He asked if I wanted him, or we wanted him to put hollow block up the side, and I said, I don't think it's needed. Do you?
No need
We
that.
maybe have cement poured.
No need that. Okay, that.
Okay.
For me, it's okay. That.
Here's what's left of our hollow block. This was all supposed to be for the stairs, yes?
Yes.
We have extra. Of course, it's also going to be for the other side of the driveway.
Use that for the kitchen, Nico.
Well, he's going to use it for the other side of the driveway. Watch out, kids. You're in the way
Additional driveway.
for this side of the driveway. Put this side of the driveway to keep the dirt from coming down onto the driveway.
Yes.
Brutus, you butthead. He's fast.
Brothers!
He is freaking fast.
Crazy.
He's freaking fast.
He's crazy when we are here.
He's crazy when we aren't here.
Every time we are here together with Brothos, he's running.
He chases motorcycles. Brutus.
Crazy.
Shh.
We go up now.
Shh.
He's crazy.
Shh. That. Shh. Brutus. Brutus. You don't listen.
Go up now because he's crazy. Go up.
I'm taking the stairs.
Very bad.
I'm taking the stairs, checking the stairs out. First time I've walked the stairs that I wanted from the very beginning. These are well done.
It's very bad.
Yes, he is. And we got to get the we got to get the cyclone on here because the dogs go in and out all the time.
Tell to Marlon.
The dogs go in and out all the time.
After this.
Well, John Rell was supposed to have done it and never did.
I told to General that, but
So
he
did I.
not.
He never did. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. TT, come. Come on, guys.
After they're doing.
Ah, TT, you're such a butt. I know you're playing, but you hurt her and you scare her. TT, hey, psst, get up here.
Piti karon.
Come on. Come. Oops, wrong way. Stop. Brutus. Brutus. Psst, get up here. Psst, get up here.
Just stay
Ha!
there, Nico. I gonna clean the poop first.
Leave it like this.
Yes. So,
I suppose you want to poop.
bring this.
You want to poop?
I just bring that.
Do you
there.
want to? You want to poop?
When I'm done, you close. Just bring. I will just
You're not going to poop?
tell you when I'm done.
You're not going to poop?
No.
Ah, getting good views on that one, hon. I'm going to poop. I'm going to poop. That's one nice thing, hon. I don't know where they're going to poop, but they're not going to poop here very much. We don't have room. Dwight. 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 Fine. Well, we got 3 of them out. Spot's the only one in. And I think the only reason she's in is because you're here, because you're her favorite.
Not favorite because yeah, I'm the one who feed him.
You're her favorite. She likes you. You play with her. She's your dog. She is definitely your dog.
You know?
Yes, she's your dog.
They just like
Here, hon.
they just follow me because
Right here.
I'm feeding them.
I think that's all the poop. That's all the poop. Is that poop too? That's not poop.
That
It's a rock. I don't know if that's poop or not. It might be.
that's scary and dry the poop.
No, it comes up very easily, actually. And if it stays out in the sun long enough, it actually dries up into a little powder almost. There's one more, hun, back there.
They're not dry.
No, it'll come up. It'll come up. It'll come up. Excuse me. Come on, be brave. Be brave. Be brave. Be brave. See, it was mostly dry. It's mostly dry. Really? I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything. Okay. All right, going up. Stop teasing her. I'm not sure where the dogs are going poop, but they're not going on the driveway very much because of all the work being done. Maybe they'll learn not to. Hey, Brutus, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're looking so much better. That next guard actually does a good job. Yeah, his legs were bright red and bleeding. Look at them, they're black now. Fur's starting to grow back. It's been 2 weeks. He was the slowest. Spot was the first one. She healed up like 2 days later. TT was pretty quick too. Dwight took a little longer, but Brutus was the longest. All right, guys. Ending this vlog. Stop recording. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit.
Click the notification.
See? She remembers.
Click.
Bye.